Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best toiletry bags that are worth buying on Amazon in 2024. Let's start with this BAGSMART wide-open waterproof toiletry bag, a TSA-approved 3-piece set designed for easy travel. Its clear PVC material ensures quick access to toiletries, with a large 180-degree opening. Available in pink, blue, and black, this set comes in 3 sizes to suit your storage needs, all for $9, with a 4.5-star rating from over 145 customers. Many praise its versatility and convenience, making it perfect for travel or daily use. Next up, the Bagsmart 2-pack travel toiletry bag is made from waterproof, odorless TPU, material for durability and easy cleaning. TSA approved for hassle-free travel, it features a stylish peach skin, back and ribbon zipper for quick access. Available in pink and black, the set comes in medium size and costs $9. With a 4.7-star rating from over 650 reviews, customers love its versatility and durability, praising it for multiple uses, from makeup to electronics. Prime members also enjoy free shipping and returns. Next, the Bagsmart Puffy Large Travel Toiletry Bag offers ample space with 4 compartments for organized storage. Made from soft, luxurious fabric, it's perfect for business trips, camping, and gym use. Available in black, dark pink, beige, and light camel, it's priced at $25 with a 30% coupon. Rated 5 stars, it's loved for its cute design and practical features. Over 200 were sold last month, with users praising its versatility and easy organization. Prime members also enjoy free shipping and returns. Again, the Bagsmart Quart Size Travel Toiletry Bag features a 180-degree opening for easy access, making it TSA approved and ideal for hassle-free travel. Made from waterproof PVC, it's available in gray, pink, rose red, green, purple, white, and black, with sizes in 2-pack or 3-pack options. At just $9, it boasts a 4.5-star rating with over 200 sold last month. Customers love its versatile use for cosmetics, toiletries, and more, praising its durability and functionality. Prime members also enjoy free shipping and returns. Finally, the Bagsmart Clear 2 Pack Toiletry Bag offers TSA-approved carry-on sizes made from durable waterproof PVC with reinforced seams for leak protection. It's available in black, blue, nude pink, and pink with 2 pieces and 3 pieces options. Priced at $9, it holds a 4.6-star rating from over 2,580 reviews and more than 5,000 sold last month. Customers love its sturdy zipper, easy access, and lightweight design, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. Prime members enjoy free shipping and returns. Well, that is for today's video, a roundup of the top 5 toiletry bags worth buying that you must go on today. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product, and happy shopping!